I need that time when I see you quiet.
Where'd you go? Do you know how I've been? Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Knia Nicole. And if you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. As y'all can see by the title of today's video, I will be doing a clip-in install video. These clip-ins are from Lorian Hair on Amazon. And I do my clip-in installs a little bit differently than I've seen other people do. Well, not that much different. All I do is part out my part first, which is what y'all see me doing here, and let that be the base for the rest of the clip-in so I know what to go Then around. I start laying them from the back to the front, so I just start in the nape area. I don't recommend doing as large of a part as I did, but because my hair is thinner back there, I had to do a bigger part so you couldn't see the track. Then next, I'm just going to lay the clip-in, and they're going to be open when you first they're going to be closed when you first get them, so you have to open them, slide them in, and then clip them closed. And then I just go ahead and blend my natural hair with the clip-ins because these are silky straight, and obviously I don't have silky straight hair. I also wanted to add that this was done on an old Dominican roller set, so it's not, my hair is not in the straightest form. So I just keep repeating the process of parting, sliding, and clipping in the clip-ins, and then blending them in with my natural hair throughout the whole process all the way to the top of my head. Now when you put the clips in, they don't have to be perfect. Your parts do not have to be perfect because in the end, it is all going to be covered. You just have to make sure that everything is flat and laying flat and everything is even in thickness on each side.
Long as you got your eyes, got your trippy on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with.
After getting the base, like the bottom part of my hair all completed, this is the part where the anchor for the leave out, or the quote-unquote leave out, because it's not really a leave out because your whole head is out, comes into play. I separate that anchor into 2 sections and I add 2 clips onto them, and then I go in once it's all blended and flat, and I go in with that top piece and I add a 1 clip, which y'all will see shortly.
You to try to play these games, leave your family in the cold and rain, and I don't think you'll ever change your ways, cause our house is not a home where no one's there.
Okay, so for this section, you want to make sure it's thick enough to cover the tracks, but thin enough to where it's not making the top of your head look bulky.
What you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out to life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. You keep wasting my time, you keep wasting my time.
After installing all the clips, I go in with a hard brush or one of those bristle brushes to smooth through that bottom half, or it's not even a half, just the bottom part. And then I go in with the flat iron again for a final pass of like that top layer to make sure everything looks good and everything looks blended, as well as the back and the sides, just to give the whole head a final pass. And then I'm gonna start on my leave out. This is one of the most important parts because this doesn't, I don't think I added any clips in, and your part has to be perfect so that it looks balanced on both sides. This is what I mean by making it sure it isn't once bulky. Again, blending everything and making sure everything is flat. And then to make it look even more natural, I'm gonna go ahead and cut some layers into it so you can't tell that they're clippings for real. And just to make sure everything is secure and blended all the way, I'm going to use my wax stick. And do not be shy with the wax stick if you have thick hair that is prone to getting frizzy and will frizz up in humidity. Use a lot of that wax stick because I'm telling you, this will make or break the style from making it look sleek or a messy look. Because y'all see how many flyaways I have before I went in with the wax stick and the hot comb? That should not look like that. After that, I was done, and this is the final look. If you like videos like this, go ahead and leave a like, comment, and subscribe down below.